Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life and my channel. So today is pop-up giveaway day. Yay! So I'm excited that I'm able to give you guys a giveaway. This will be my second time to give a giveaway. And so I'm really excited about it. It's not a big giveaway like the one from my 100 subscribers. I have one coming up that's huge for my 250 subscriber giveaway when I hit 250. But let me show you my box here. I put it all in a little allure box so we could see what it looks like in the box. Try and keep everything in the box. Okay, so let's start here. First item I am giving away. This is a little keychain that has a bottle opener on it. It also has a hook to help you open a door so you don't have to touch it, like when you go into a bathroom. Also, there's a little stylus on the end of this that you can use to sign your name on those credit card machines. So that is the first item. I have a eye mask, which is the second item. I have a set of eye brushes, and this is a little plastic snap set. And let me show you what the brushes look like. Okay, there's 4 brushes that are in this set. Okay, we'll put them back in there. You get the bag and the brushes. Okay, and there is a sheet mask in here. Okay, and the last item in this box is in a little black box. And this is jewelry. I am going to show you. Okay, can y'all see the earrings that I have on? These ones are silver. They're chunky. They're very lightweight. So I bought myself a pack of 3, gold, rose gold, and silver. And I bought a second pair. So I thought, well, I should just put that in a giveaway. So we have 3 pair. They are not opened. They are very lightweight, but they are hoops. And there's the colors. So you have rose gold, regular gold, and silver. And they're all still packaged in the original box and in the original packages. So I thought that would be just a kind of nice little giveaway. It's been a little bit since I've had my 100 subscriber giveaway, and I was just in the mood to do some giveaways. So this is what I call a pop-up giveaway, right? So it just pop up. Here it is. So guys, let me tell you the details of the giveaway. It's going to come in an allure box when you guys get it. So don't think it's an allure box. It's not an allure box. It's just what I use to ship stuff in when we get subscription boxes. If they have a good box, I'm going to use it. So first on the giveaway, you must be publicly subscribed to my channel. Not privately, but publicly. Because if you're private and I can't see your name, I don't know who you are and if you're subscribed to my channel. So I'm going to be using a comment picker, but also if it grabs a person that's not listed on my subscribed people, then I'm going to have to go to the next name, okay? So first, publicly subscribe. So just make sure that you are. The second thing I want you to do is write pop-up giveaway in the comments. So that way when my comment picker picks, it'll all look the same. So we're not going to put any hyphens or anything like that in there. We're just going to put the word pop and then the word up and then the word giveaway. So that is how we are going to do it. Pop-up giveaway. And so also you must be or have a U.S. address. This is not for international, only for U.S. residents as of right now. So that is another stipulation. So I've got, let's see, you got to be subscribed. You got to write the right content. You got to be a U.S. resident. And I think that's probably it. So today is March 1st. So I am going to end my giveaway on, let's see, March 8th. Okay. So I will end my giveaway at noon on March 8th, and I will pick that winner and have it up on March 9th. Okay. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. I hope you know how much you all mean to me. You guys have brought me from, this has been a year now. And I know, you know, if you look at my subscribers, I only have 186, but you guys are like the best. You always comment. You always tell me what you think. You know, it's just, it's so special to me, and it's just my heart. I love you guys, and I thank you for every comment, every like, everything you guys just say and do for me. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. So we will be doing another subscriber giveaway. It will be a 250 subscriber giveaway. Once I hit 250, that will consist of a Bolzano handbag, and it will be filled with makeup, lifestyle, skincare, just all kinds of things. So that will be my big giveaway, and that will be coming up when I hit 250. So guys, subscribers first, thank you for hanging out with me. I appreciate you so, so much. I don't have words to say thank you for watching me. Those of you who are not subscribed, if you like content, there are giveaways, but I do reviews, I do subscription boxes, I do travel videos. We like to cruise, but right now we can't. So we do resorts. So I will be doing some walkthroughs on our room in May, and the resort. I will do walkthroughs on the resort, kind of give you an idea of what it's like. Also, I do vlogs. I do weekly vlogs. I do daily vlogs. Sometimes I am on a keto diet, so I also do some cooking, and I am legally blind. That's my last thing. So I can't see what you see. I can't see very much at all, but the way I shop, the way I look at things in a different perspective, the way I travel, the way I just do things is totally different, but sometimes the same as what you guys do. So if you are interested in that type of comment, please click subscribe down below. Hit the bell so you know when I am putting out new videos, and the like button if you would please. That like button and the subscribe button and the bell are very important to us YouTubers. They help to push our videos out to more people. So again, thank you. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.